white dress, soft light, a vow beneath the cross, tears of joy, hands held tight. But now it all feels lost. We said forever through fire and storm, but now we're walking out the door like promises were worn. You promised to stay when it hurt, not just when it shined, to hold through the sickness, not only the climb. But now it's a party, a postering, while love is forgotten beneath everything. The world made it easy, just leave if it's tough. They call it self-love, but it's never enough. Now lawyers profit and children cry, while two broken hearts pass each other by. You promised to fight for the bond when feelings grew cold, to carry the weight, not trade it for gold. But now it's a show, a hashtag dream, and truth is abandoned for what only seems. It wasn't just words, it was covenant breath. It was meant to hold until parting by death. But love turned to war and passion to pride, and we forgot who stood at our side. Where are the hearts who still believe that love is a cross, not just a need? You promise, before God and man, before joy or pain, through darkest nights, through every strain. But we walked away toward the vow into, and called it freedom. But we knew. You promised, and so did I.